Well, I want to get this hemmed. I want to get shortened.
Okay.
So I don't know, should I try it on or?
Yeah, you need to try it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So just pick one?
Yeah, that's the easy one.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Tina will be happy out.
Okay, thank you. Are you Tina?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I want to get it shortened though.
You want to shorten it?
Yeah, I do. I want it to be hemmed to about to this button. I want this button removed, and I want it to be hemmed to about here.
Oh, just a no button. No problem.
Actually, be.
So you
Actually
need
be a little bit
more?
I kind of want it to like my fingertips.
Okay. So how about that? Put your finger now. Not too much?
Can we pull it up in the back and just make sure so that
Yeah.
that's clearance for that?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
We can make the back a little bit longer.
Okay.
Same. Yeah. I think better.
Oh,
Right,
yeah,
better look.
cute.
Isn't that nicer?
Yeah. Better look.
And I'm wearing
yeah.
fishnets with it too, so.
And more hook to your body
yeah,
too.
right?
Yeah.
I like that. Yay!
When did you need this?
I need it by the 20th.
Oh yeah, you got plenty.
Oh, good. I was like, I don't know, because I know this is wedding season, so. So I'm getting my dress altered because, for the Nutcracker, because it's a little bit longer than what I wanted, but I'm excited. The marking is like right here.
Right there.
So this is where it's gonna end.
Mm-hmm. Do you want a little bit higher?
Just a little higher.
A little bit higher. Okay. Your name, your phone number on the top there. Wow. The fabric, this is fabric. It's
Isn't it
starting, yeah.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm, it does.
You bought this online?
I
Or in
did.
the store?
I bought it online.
Everybody bought it online.
I like
No one shopping anymore.
Yeah. Well, you know, it makes the shopping world so much smaller for
Wow.
plus size people. Because, you know,
No.
they don't have like extended sizes. I've gotten these.
Oh, those are cute. Yeah.
They're like, they have like that nice classic look, but then they also have a little something extra for you.
Yeah. I like those.
I can still always add to my collection.
Right. I love those.
You like these?
Yeah.
I want more here. There's something, or is it less here? Because it kind of makes my face look longer to me.
That's good, right?
No.
Okay.
I want balanced out. If this is just like a hair smaller, I think
that
that
sounds
might be
on.
it. I think they're too cat eye for me.
I love them.
See, they don't make your face look super long.
Well, too, remember you said that I need like a cat eye for my whole face.
Yeah, but like, I know you like stark cat eye. Am I paying with you?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Or should I do the knot ones or the big gold ones?
Oh, yeah. One of those.
One of those.
Yeah.
Strap because that's loose, but these are.
They are. They look good. I like them. They're pretty.
Here we are again with a swing back, and they're two different sizes.
No, this is the size.
Well, the thing I like about the 40 is that
Can you guess this?
the strap is tighter.
Only this one? You need a bag for it?
Yes, please. I wasn't sure if I liked it with out the buttons when I saw it online. Oh, well, you need to charge your phone too, huh?
Yeah.
Well, not too.